Some of my dresses in my closet, a very short video. I have lots and lots of flipping dresses. Different colors, designs, styles, sparkly, some frilly, some silk, some satin, floral, you name it, crochets, I've got it. But like I said, this is just a short video, guys, so I'm going to do another proper one. I'm rearranging my closet right now because I have too much stuff, so I've got to make it bigger, 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 bigger. So there we go. And that's not only half of it, only half of it. She is a diva. Mariah Carey, I'm a big fan. Can you see? I have a butterfly. We love you, Mariah. I got you, butterfly girl. Mariah Carey again. I love her so much. Mariah Carey. So there we go. Now, don't take no notice of me because I'm not properly dressed, okay? This is not properly me, okay? I'm just sort of like, as you can see, upside down right now. So give me a break, okay? This is my little birdie. Yeah, you would know you're clever, birdie. That's right, you can show off now. Earl. He is called Earl. Earl! Earl! Come on, Earl! He'll come up. He should come up, dear. Oh, you've made a bit of a mess, haven't you? Earl! Come on, Earl! You're very clever, aren't you, Earl? Okay, let's get the stick. What do you do with the stick? Yeah, off we go. Good birdie. What do you have to do again? Oh, you brought your mirror down again. What do you have to do with the stick? Come on, stick. Good. Stick. Your leg. Good. Oh. Well organized then, aren't you? He likes picking at it. Don't pick at it. Don't pick. Come on. Climb onto it. Good. Okay, now you're showing off. I'm gonna put the stick back now, so because you're showing off now. Okay, birdie, birdie, it's a clever birdie. Earl. Okay, Earl. That's Earl. At my phone. And there's some more of my perfumes in there. Okay, we know, we know. Paris Hilton's got some amazing fragrances as well. And there's a picture of me and Mariah Carey. Just open the door for you. This is a good scent. It's called Forever. Picture of me and Mariah Carey. Some of my products. Mariah Carey again. You can see I love her. Need to get some more of that, guys. Clive Christian. Mariah again. I'm on my way to get another little closet for more Mariah Carey products.